In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva. If you're looking to streamline your design process and keep your visuals tidy and cohesive, grouping elements is an incredibly useful feature. Whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, or any creative project, learning how to group elements will save you both time and effort, offering you greater flexibility in managing your design. First things first, let's dive into the Canva workspace. Once you're there, identify the elements you want to group. This could be anything from text, images, shapes, or any combination of these. Now, to highlight the components you wish to group, click on your left mouse button and without releasing it, drag your mouse across the elements. This step is crucial as it defines the specific parts of your design that you'd like to operate on as a single unit. You will notice that as you drag, a selection box appears, encompassing everything that falls under it, indicating that the elements are now selected. Once you have your elements selected, look towards the top right corner of your Canva toolbar. You'll find a button that says Group. It is usually located in the same area where you find options like Position, Animate, and Transparency. Click on this Group button. A simple click here and all your selected elements are now merged into one cohesive unit. This means you can now move them around together, resize them proportionately, or apply overall adjustments without affecting their internal alignment. Grouping elements not only enhances the visual appeal by maintaining consistency, but also drastically reduces clutter within your design space. It's especially beneficial when you are working on complex projects with multiple layers, allowing you to stay organized and focused on the bigger picture. An important tip to remember is that grouping doesn't just limit you to stationary elements. You can apply this feature to animated elements as well, allowing for synchronized movement within your dynamic designs. If at any point you decide you need to make adjustments or edits to an individual component within your group, don't worry. You don't have to ungroup everything to access one element. Simply double click on the group and it will temporarily allow you to select individual elements without dismantling the entire assembly. Once you're done editing, click anywhere outside the group and it will revert back to its grouped status. To finalize, grouping elements is just one among many great tools Canva provides, empowering you to create stunning, professional quality designs with ease. It's a small step that strikes a balance between creativity and efficiency, an asset for both beginners and seasoned designers alike. So go ahead and experiment with this feature in your next Canva project and watch how it transforms your design work with minimal effort. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.